Last week, I finally got around to cleaning up my bookmark bar. And what I did is I created folders by right-clicking and then adding a folder. And why did I do this? I did it so it looked tidier, but it ended up saving me some time. So I'm going to name a folder, for example, Tuesday class. I don't have a Tuesday class right now, but I do have other classes. And for every class, I have to open up a lot of different tabs. So what I'll do is just add different tabs for different classes, bookmarks, and I just added Google for fun of it. But other classes, I might have 5 or 6 tabs that I need to open. And instead of opening every single one individually, I can go to the coursework that I need for that particular day, right click, and then say, hey, do I need to open all 5? And say, yep, just open them all up. And we can see that, hey, instead of me going individually, opening all of those different tabs up, I can go to the Monday class, Wednesday class, Friday class, whatever, and open up all the tabs I need all at once. So it looks tidier, but it's just made it a little bit easier in the morning to get up and running. Tiny little tip, but sometimes tidying up and organizing can help you in a happy little way.